Hello everyone, my name is Harrison. I'm the e-commerce manager here at Marathon, and I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys some cool features of our watches, specifically on the Navigator with date and the TSAR. We have the navigational bezels on the Navigator. We've gotten some questions on Instagram lately about how they work, and so I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys some ways to use it. First off, you can set the home time or away time. So let's say I was going to go to our factory in Switzerland, and that is 6 hours ahead. So I would set the navigational bezel to the 6 o'clock at the 12, and that means that it's 6 hours ahead. So you would use it as normal. Now that the 6 is at the 12, we can see that the time right now would be 8:09 and you can also do it the other way around, so you can see what time it would be when you're at home or away. So that's one way to use it. Alternatively, you can set it for where you started with the minute hand, and then so you can see how much time has elapsed and tracking your timing with that. The same thing can be done with the TSARs and their 60-minute dive bezel. It's a little easier because it actually shows the minutes that have elapsed on the bezel itself instead of using it for navigational purposes. All right, thanks for joining us, guys. If you have any questions or want to reach out to us requesting either other features you want to cover or specific watches that you want to go over, reach out to us through DM, through Instagram or Facebook, and we'd be happy to share with you some of the other things we can do with our watches.